Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. If you're looking for the top 5 must-visit restaurants in Phnom Penh for a smooth and fun dining experience, here are some popular options. Friends, the restaurant located in a beautiful colonial-style building, Friends. The restaurant offers a unique dining experience with a socially conscious twist. The restaurant is run by an NGO that supports at-risk youth, and the menu features a fusion of Khmer and Western cuisines. The friendly atmosphere and delicious food make it a must-visit. Romdeng, set in a charming colonial era villa, Romdeng is known for its traditional Khmer cuisine with a contemporary twist. The restaurant is operated by an NGO that trains and employs underprivileged youths. You can enjoy dishes like fish, amok and banana blossom salad in a vibrant and relaxed setting. The Chinese house, housed in a stunning colonial mansion. The Chinese house is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The restaurant offers a fusion of Chinese and Western cuisines, and the interior is filled with art and antiques. With live music and a vibrant atmosphere, it's an ideal place to enjoy a lively night out. Topaz, for a fine dining experience in Phnom Penh, Topaz is a top choice. This elegant restaurant serves French cuisine with a touch of Khmer influence. The menu includes an extensive selection of seafood, meats, and vegetarian options. The sophisticated atmosphere, attentive service, and exquisite dishes make it a memorable dining experience. The Vibe, if you're looking for a more casual and fun dining spot, The Vibe is a great option. Located along the riverside, this open-air restaurant offers a relaxed and lively ambiance. The menu features a mix of international dishes, and they often have live music performances. It's a popular spot for both locals and expats to enjoy good food and a vibrant atmosphere. These are just a few of the many fantastic dining options in Phnom Penh. The city has a diverse culinary scene, and you're sure to find something to suit your tastes and preferences. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.